Well, Siddharth Pithani, you are somebody who's very closely known to Sushant Singh Rajput, and you have been with him between April 2019 to July 5th this year. First, before we get on to any other question, I want to know what do you get called as, Buddha Pithani or Siddharth Pithani?
So basically, when I joined Sushant in April of 2019, he asked my name, like, what's your name? So I told him I'm Siddharth. Then he said, okay, I have too many Siddharths in my friends, and I think I'll give you a new name. You will be called as Buddha because in the team, among the team. So everybody started calling me.
Were you worried about something on your Instagram that people would see? You didn't make it private when Sushant was alive, but you made it private after he died?
Yes, I did.
So why did you do that? Why did you do that? Because more fans would be coming to you when he was alive, not after he's gone.
Unfortunately, more people have started coming to me after he died with a lot of. I was going through a lot of trolling in my Instagram accounts. If they ask me in a respectful, civil manner, I would love to have conversations with them. Because after all, I understand their loss. But more than that, I was going through a lot of hate. So
why were people hating you? Were they saying something on your account that was making you uncomfortable?
Yes, very much.
What were they saying?
I cannot I wish I could describe it in one go, but basically there were death threats and they said a lot of things about my family members.
Why were people threatening you? Were they questioning your stand because you said something about Sushant once and then something else another time? Is that why?
I don't know what their comment about my son, but they are just saying this: you murdered the Sushant with your own hands, and you're trying to fight something. You are taking sides.
When did you realize? How did you find him? Tell me. Set the reset button and tell me what happened that day.
Yeah. So basically, in the morning, I woke up. I came down. Deepesh was in the other room. I think he was reading something. And
what was he doing? What was Deepesh doing?
He was in another room. Deepesh and me share a same room. So Deepesh was in this room, and I was in the studio where there was a system. I work on it basically.
Okay.
So I came down. I had tea. Then I was watching something on the system. Then Keshav comes to me and asks me if you can ask sir what he would like to have for lunch because his door is locked. We went upstairs to knock the door. First I went alone. I knocked. There was no response from inside. Sushant did not open the door. So then I knocked for some time, a very casual knock for some time, and I came down to ask it. I spoke to Deepesh about it. Sir is not opening the door.
So you knocked for how long before you came down?
Maybe 30 seconds.
Okay, only 30 seconds.
Yeah, only 30 seconds. And then I came down to see Deepesh, talk to him. Sir is not opening the door. He generally does not lock the door for at that time of the day. And he generally does not and never locks the door.
Okay, so you found it strange?
Yeah, we found it strange, yes.
Okay, and then despite Keshav telling you his room was locked, you knocked only for 30 seconds and you came down and you spoke about this to Deepesh.
Yes.
Okay, and then what happened?
Then we both went upstairs and we started knocking together. We knocked for a very long time actually. Then we stopped.
How long? Be specific.
Ma'am, to be honest, I don't remember a lot of specifics, but I can, I can tell you what happened that day. But not minute to minute because I went through a lot.
10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I mean, I'm just asking you an approximate.
हम 5 मिनट थे वहाँ पे, 5 मिनट थे और रुक गए. ये सोच के कि सर को शायद स्पेस चाहिए होगा करके हम रुक गए फिर हम लोग उसी सर के कमरे में के सामने एक और कमरा है, वहां पे हम बैठे रहे और हर 10 मिनट में जाके हमने नॉक करना शुरू कर दिया।
Okay.
ठीक है, हम
What time was this? What time in the morning was this?
Around I think 11:30 ish, yes.
Okay. And did Sushant normally sleep late?
See, the previous night, on the night of 13th, he was awake because he came to me. We had a very small conversation, saying he asked me like, "Aren't you sleepy?" Like I said, I told him, "Sir, मेरा अभी जस्ट काम खत्म हुआ है, ऊपर आया हूँ सोने, आप क्यों नहीं सो रहे हो?" तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया
What time was this? What time was this on 13th night?
Around 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Then he said कि I just woke up from my sleep, मैं अभी जाके सो जाऊंगा, तू भी सो जा करके उन्होंने मुझे बताया। Then I just wished him good night and came to my room.
Okay.
तो पूरा टाइम वो ऊपर अपने कमरे में होते थे। तो उनके कमरे में वो क्या करते थे, वो जनरली हम लोग दिन में 4-5 बार उनको जाके मिलते थे और आ जाते थे। But it was mostly we used to spend time in our own ground floor itself.
But you said, I want to ask you, Siddharth,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said कि आप सो रहे थे और फिर आप नीचे आए, तो आपका बेडरूम क्या ऊपर है जहां सुशांत का बेडरूम है?
हाँ, तो basically the 3 days before the incident, Sushant had asked me to sleep in the room in front.
Why? After Riya leaving, was he very upset?
No, that actually it was Disha's incident which upset him so much. He said कि
And Riya's leaving did not upset him?
He was, because he was upset about it, but Sushant's sister have taken care of him regarding that matter.
Regarding that, so she didn't speak to you about Disha or Riya in the 2-3 days?
No.
What did he say about Disha? What did he say about Disha जब आप कह रहे वो बहुत upset थे?
तो जब सुशांत को दिशा के बारे में पता चला कि न्यूज ये आते हैं ना मैम, sorry, not on Instagram, I think InShot or Routers or somewhere he got this news कि Sushant Singh's manager committed suicide. Then he totally lost it, like he felt really, really bad. Then he started crying.
So did he talk about it to you? He cried?
Yeah, he cried, yes.
And what did he say when he was crying?
He's crying कि he said this much कि ये लोग मेरा नाम क्यों लेके आ रहे हैं इसमें। मैं दिशा को एक बार ही मिला हूँ, मैं इस लड़की को जानता भी नहीं।
लड़की को जानते भी नहीं थे दिशा को, वो मैनेजर नहीं थी?
हाँ, yeah, because Disha was manager, Sushant managed for a very brief time. Sushant's real manager was Shruti Modi. She had an accident on her ankle, so she could not report to her. So on her place, the management, whoever gives the manager to Sushant, they gave Disha Salian as
Which
a
company
manager.
was this which gives managers?
Ma'am, I don't know exactly which manager. I think it's Cornerstone.
Cornerstone or Kwan?
Yeah, Cornerstone or Kwan. It could be any one of these.
Okay, so then what did he say about Disha?
Said this only, ki why are they taking my name again and again? And he kept like scrolling through a lot of pages online, different news sources, different pages, and everybody he kept showing us कि देखो ये लोग को देखो। Everybody is using my name instead of Disha. Disha is the one who did this. Why are they bringing my name into it? And he called someone saying he have requested them to give a statement. He tell them that I'm not involved in this. Why are they taking my name in this?
Who did he call?
Ma'am, I don't know who we called, but he made one call in front of me, yes.
Which phone? We are reading that there were no phones with him. You were given messages by the family. So which phone did he have?
He had his phone throughout. He had his phone.
Okay, Riya didn't take away his phones.
No one took away his phone ever. He always had his phone. He kept making calls to his friends and his family, and he had control over his social media accounts also.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So 1 minute. You are saying the family was in contact with him throughout. His phones were never taken away.
No, he had an iPhone. His phone was always there with.
So the family which filed an FIR, who were in touch with you in the past, was lying.
Ma'am, they were in touch with me. I agree. Like I went to Chandigarh. I met Jijaji and Sushant's sister also, Neetu Didi. So they took my number. They had my contact number, and they thought ki they will contact me. I don't know what's happening between their family, because I was never involved between Sushant and the family. But they just contacted Sushant.
But his sister did tell you to take care of his expenses, to take care of him health-wise. She did tell you that.
Ma'am, she had told me to take care of him. She did tell me.
But in your last interview to us, you said that the sister had told you to take care of his money and to take care of his health.
Not money. I was not at all involved in his money, ma'am. But to health-wise, like, because I used to give Sushant his medication.
What
Sushant
medicines were you giving Sushant?
He had a prescription prescribed by Dr. Kasi Chavda. He gave us a prescription. So Sushant had asked me that you give me the medicine. You will give me medicine after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there was a prescription. It was a plan. Like planned it like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and after lunch, breakfast, and dinner we had a planner.
So how long did you give him this medicine?
Ma'am, since we went on a trip to Chandigarh on 21st, 22nd of January. Just like 2 days we started the medication, and it went 8. I gave him medication in the month of February.
So from January to June you gave him medication, but you don't remember the name of the medicine.
Ma'am, I know, I remember only one tablet, because it was prescription tablets, right? Like there was Q-tip.
What is the name of the medicine?
It was Q-tip. One medicine I remember very like.
What was the name of the medicine?
Q-tip.
And another tablet which you don't know.
Yeah. There were another tablet which I don't know, because we have already taken the medicine and we have planned it. Like, the planner comes, right? तो हम उसमें रखते थे. तो रोज मैं सुशांत के रूम में जाके पानी कटोरी में टैबलेट लेके ग्लास लेके मैं जाता था, उनको देता था, वो लेते थे.
और
उन्होंने मुझे बताया.
और सुशांत मतलब नॉर्मल हैप्पी खुशी रहते थे कि वो डिप्रेस्ड रहते थे, या वो सोते थे ज्यादा, या मूड स्विंग होता था? आप लोग से कैसे इंटरेक्शन रहता था?
देखिए मैम, मेरे साथ सुशांत का इंटरेक्शन बहुत अच्छा होता था, क्योंकि he was always happy. नॉर्मल होता था. बट दे वर लाइक उनका मूड स्विंग ज्यादा मैंने नोटिस करा.
कब?
दूर से, क्योंकि मार्च में उनकी he had stopped taking medication. Okay. And he said कि I'm feeling better. I don't want to take medication anymore.
Okay.
Then I said, okay, cool. I respect your decision.
Why did you say? Did you not worry that he should speak to the doctor only and then take a decision?
They have spoken to the doctor. The doctor had come to the house.
Doctor had come to the house.
Yeah, doctor had come to the house.
And doctor said that stop medication.
He has reduced the prescription.
Okay.
The previous prescription.
तो reduce किया था, लेकिन उसने stop किया, तो आपने बोला cool, stop it.
Cool. Yeah. Yes, I did.
So why did you should have told him कि डॉक्टर ने कम किया है, बंद करने को नहीं बोला है. How could you say cool?
Sir, I had a conversation with him. You sure? Like you want to stop? I said, yeah, Buddha, I'm very happy, right? I'm happy. I'm okay now. So don't give me medication. I don't want to take medication. So I can't force him to take medication.
तो आपने दीदी को कुछ बताया, फैमिली को कुछ बताया?
Ma'am, I have something to say about regarding that also.
हाँ, क्या बताया आपने?
Basically, एक बार सुशांत मेरे को पूछा उन्होंने कि if I am in touch with any of the family member.
हाँ.
I said yes, मेरी जीजाजी से बात होती रहती है, और लाइक हम दोनों की बात होती रहती है ऑन व्हाट्सएप, ऑन फोन कॉल्स. नीतू दीदी भी इज कॉलिंग मी लाइक समटाइम टू बेसिकली सी कि इफ यू आर डूइंग ओके. देन सुशांत had told me not to like talk to them.
Acha, Sushant was telling you. And
Yeah, Sushant was telling
was
me.
Riya with him at that time?
Yes, Riya was there with him at that time.
So Riya and he were happy together, and they had no problems. There were no arguments.
I have no like say in it because उनका पर्सनल मामले में मैं ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ता मैम.
नहीं पढ़ता नहीं था तो घर में तो रहता था, देखता तो था.
मैम घर में रहता
तो
था.
आप कह रहे हो आपके फ्रेंड थे सुशांत और बहुत अच्छे से बात करते थे. तो अगर सेम घर में रह रहे होते हो तो टू पीपल आर हैप्पी टुगेदर और टू पीपल आर फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, सल्किंग विद ईच अदर. ये तो पता चल ही जाता है अगर आप सेम घर में रहते हो.
हमारे सामने होता था जो भी होता था.
क्या होता
सुशांत और रिया जब हमारे सामने होते थे वो खुशी थे. They were happy, like जो भी
कभी लड़ाई नहीं होता था. No arguments ever.
No arguments because I have not seen them argue in front of me. Whatever personal time they used to spend together, they used to spend it in the room, in their own.
And you never heard voices from the room. You never heard any fighting or anybody in a bad mood outside the room.
No, I have never like heard.
Are you sure?
Heard that.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, yeah, I am sure about it, ma'am.
Because there is a mail that went to you.
Yeah.
And in this mail, जीजा जी जिनको आप कह रहे हैं, जीजा जी ने लिखा है. जीजा जी ने लिखा है और आपको बोला है ये मेल व्हाट्सएप दिखाने के लिए सुशांत को. और उसमें उन्होंने लिखा है कि सुशांत यूज्ड टू कॉल हिज सिस्टर एंड कीप टेलिंग हर के यू नो मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे ले जाओ, मुझे बचा लो. एंड ही टोल्ड हिम कि अरे भैया अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो हमें बचाने दो और अगर नहीं है तो रोज रोज अपनी बहन को परेशान मत करो, वो परेशान हो जाती है. आपने ये मैसेज दिया था क्या सुशांत को?
मैंने दिया था मैम. एक्चुअली टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई डिड नॉट लाइक रीड व्हाट द मैसेज वाज. इट वाज सेंट टू माय व्हाट्सएप. I have shown that to Sushant and he said okay, that's it.
Okay बोला. और आपने
okay बोला.
और आपने पढ़ा भी नहीं?
मैम मैंने नहीं पढ़ा मैम. There was so much. I deliberately distance myself ताकि मेरे को ये इन फैमिली और सुशांत के बीच में एक डेलिबरेट मेरा डिसीजन था वो मैसेजेस ना पढ़ने का.
बुद्धा पिठानी जी, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू बिलीव दैट यू से आपका फ्रेंड है और आपके फ्रेंड के लिए आप मेडिसिन दे रहे हो. मेडिसिन उसने कहा बंद कर दिया, आपने बंद कर दिया, कूल बोला. वो प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहा है फैमिली में, आपने इतने लंबे मैसेज में एक पार्ट भी नहीं पढ़ा. इज इट बिलीवेबल? एंड यू आर सेइंग कि 1 साल से रिया के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, घर में कभी लड़ाई नहीं हुई. अरे बेस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स में लड़ाई होता है, कभी कभी मूड खराब होता है.
मैम एक चीज मैं आपको बताता. एक चीज, वन थिंग आई वांट टू मेक इट वेरी क्लियर. आई वाज फ्रेंड्स विद सुशांत सिंह जस्ट टू ओनली सर्टेन कैपेसिटी. ओके. और ज्यादा हमारा दोनों का कॉन्वर्सेशन और वो क्या होता था, बहुत प्रोफेशनल होते थे मैम. क्योंकि the reason he had called me to be in his team because he wanted to make certain content, video content और animations बनाने के लिए मुझे बुलाया था. Okay. Not to take care of him and be between the.
So then, if you were not supposed to take care of him and if you were a professional content graphic maker, then why were you giving him medicines? कटोरी में लेके क्यों जाते थे? पानी का ग्लास क्यों देके जाते थे?
Because he asked me to. बिकॉज मेरा एक कर्टसी है, एक ग्रैटिट्यूड रखता हूँ सुशांत के लिए. बिकॉज एज लाइक अ स्ट्रगलर जो अभी पास आउट होके आया है, he was doing a job, he was in Mumbai and he was staying somewhere outside sharing his room with 4 other people and he given me that, you know, घर में एक जगह दिया उन्होंने. ठीक है. And I had that like gratitude for him and that's why I could not say no to most of his requirements. He asked me to give him medicine.
So if you felt so much gratitude last time you said in an interview that he messaged you, bro, I'm broken, I'm very unhappy, you come, it's an emergency. बुलाया था ना आपको?
He called me. I got a telephone.
You got a call, no?
Yes.
रोया था ना सुशांत?
हाँ।
तो आपने जाके पूछा नहीं क्यों रो रहे हो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, ये कब था?
This happened in the first week of January. This is after New Year's. He called me. I was in my office. He called me to Buddha. आज आजा, तू मेरे घर पे आजा शाम को. I got the next flight from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. I left my job, man. I left my job. I left my friends. I left the house as it is.
तो ये प्रोफेशनल रिलेशन है, ये फ्रेंडशिप नहीं है.
Ma'am, this is because he asked me to come back so that we'll start something. I have
Which
no one
professional? मुझे तो कोई फोन करेगा मैं नहीं चली जाऊंगी ऐसे जब तक मेरी दोस्ती नहीं होगी.
दोस्ती था ना, प्रीवियस अप्रैल 2019 से अक्टूबर तक हम साथ में थे. I have learned so much.
तब दोस्ती था और बाद में प्रोफेशनल हो गया.
हाँ मैम, क्योंकि he hired me in April of 2019.
आपको एक प्रोफेशनल को घर में रख रहा है, आप साथ खा रहे हो, साथ पी रहे हो, जाग रहे हो, सो रहे हो, सामने बेडरूम के बैठ रहे हो, मेडिसिन खिला रहे हो, और आप प्रोफेशनल थे, फैमिलीज के साथ आप टच में हो और आप मैसेज नहीं पढ़ रहे हो.
उसमें मेरी क्या गलती? एक प्रोफेशनल को उन्होंने अपने घर पे रखा. We wanted to have a pro team with him. He had so many other people also from different
so no empathy, no humanity, no friendship. आपका कोई फ्रेंडशिप नहीं था, आप सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल थे. मरे जिए सुशांत, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
फ्रेंडशिप था मैं उसका क्या, why am I'm not denying that. I was a professional in his team. He treated me like a friend and a brother. वो उसमें मेरी क्या गलती?
तो तुमने नहीं ट्रीट किया उसको फ्रेंड की तरह, उसने तुमको ट्रीट किया फ्रेंड की तरह. तुम पैसा लेते थे काम का और उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं.
नहीं लेता था.
नहीं देता था? क्यों? पैसा नहीं था उसके पास?
क्योंकि ये एक मैं कभी सैलरी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करा था. उन्होंने बोला जनवरी में जब मैं वापस आया था, बिफोर जनवरी I was like interning with him. I was not paid ever. Okay. And after January, when he called me in the month of January, he said कि जो भी तुम्हारा सैलरी है ऑफिस में, जो जितना तुमको अभी मिल रहा है मैं तुमको दूंगा, तू आ जा. जब मैं गया वहां पे, and after the conversation what we had for the first time, he told me, boss, there is nobody with me and I don't think I will be having like money anymore because I am stopping to act. Like I won't be acting anymore. And मेरे को नहीं लगता कि मेरे को काम मिलेगा. इसीलिए जो भी अब मेरे पास.
क्यों लगता था उसको कि काम नहीं मिलेगा?
मैम वही क्वेश्चन है ना मेरा. मैंने सुशांत को पूछा था कि आपको क्यों लग रहा है ऐसा, तो उन्होंने he could not, I don't know, for some reason he could not answer.
But he was normal. You didn't see him worried, you didn't see him depressed.
Yes,
he was normal.
I saw him. He was worried. He held my hands and he cried.
तो आप ये सब जानते थे जनवरी से मार्च, बीच में आप उनके साथ उनके बहन के घर चंडीगढ़ में भी गए थे. आपने फैमिली को कुछ बताया होगा ना?
बताया.
क्या बताया?
मैम ये जो जनवरी में जब मेरे को उन्होंने बुलाया, एक्चुअली जनवरी में मेरे उनके ज्वाइन होने के बाद within few weeks we went to Chandigarh.
Okay.
I told him what was happening in the house, Sushant was worried about his expenses because he had told me this. मेरे expenses बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. I want to cut down all the expense. ये सब मुझे ये जो information है ना, जो सैमुअल मिरांडा और केशव और मेरे को ये सब as in conversation they used to tell me that sir is worried about expenses. And ज़्यादा expenses are because of Riya Chakravarti. रिया वो बोलते थे कि रिया बहुत सारा सामान सुशांत के कार्ड से मंगवा रही है, and we are not able to tell this fact to Sushant Singh, and we are very sure he is worried about it. Then,
so Riya used to order all this.
Like apparently, because I was not there for a very long time.
But the servants were telling you कि रिया ये सब मंगाती है और इसमें खर्चा ज्यादा होता है और सुशांत साहब is worried about this.
Yes, yes.
बट यू आर सेइंग वो लोग तो खुश रहते थे, सुशांत कुछ कहते नहीं थे, डरते थे क्या रिया से?
मुझे नहीं पता।
नहीं, पर आपने चलिए
आपको
जनवरी में आपको नहीं पता, पर फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून 13 तक आपको कभी लगा कि दोनों में इस इशू पे, एक्सपेंडिचर के इशू में कुछ लड़ाई है?
मैम लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग, ये जो कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ ना काम वाले और मेरे बीच में, मैंने जाके सुशांत को बताया ये चीज।
हाँ,
सुशांत ने मुझे बोला कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही कन्फ्रंटेड रिया अबाउट इट, एंड वो कॉन्फ्रंटेशन क्या था, दैट हैपेंड प्राइवेटली। I have no idea what confrontation they had. Then after that, Sushant comes to me and said, "Buddha, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't get involved in this matter. Okay? And this is Riya, what you are talking about, and that's okay. And because Riya takes care of me, she is part of the house. You don't come in between." करके उन्होंने मुझे बोला. Then I stopped worrying about it. Since then, I never worried about who's spending what in where, because I was not part of that whole narrative, man.
So confrontation हुआ, उसके बाद रिया ने उसको क्या कहा पता नहीं, पर सुशांत ने आपको कहा don't interfere, and after that you never asked.
Yes.
And then when he stopped taking medicines, you said it's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't, and you didn't discuss this with Keshav, you did not discuss this with Samuel, you did not discuss this with Riya, किसी से नहीं बात किया?
नहीं मैम, नहीं किया मैम।
और बहन को भी नहीं बताया?
और फिर चंडीगढ़ में जाके बहन और जीजा जी को मैंने बताया ये चीज, ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ हमारे बीच में।
तो आप तो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कह रहे थे कि बिफोर गोइंग टू चंडीगढ़ में थोड़े हफ्ते पहले आया था, आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन द हाउस। इतना कुछ तो आपको पता चल गया कि आपने बहन और जीजा जी को बता दिया?
हाँ, क्योंकि बहन और जीजा जी ने मेरे को पूछा था सामने रख के, सुशांत के ओन सिस्टर if they asked me in their house, I was alone, I was there with the two sisters, and जीजा जी was also there. Now they asked me things about Sushant ki, beta we are worried about Sushant, please tell me what's happening now.
Do you know in February Jija ji had made a complaint to Mumbai police, and in that they had given your number and asked Mumbai police to call you, and that you will give the entire background? Did you know about this?
I came to know about this just watching in the news.
ओ पहले नहीं पता था आपको?
जीजा जी ने मुझे बताया था कि कुछ पहले कॉन्वर्सेशन में मुझे बताया था उन्होंने, ओपी सिंह सर ने, कि if there is something is wrong with Sushant, you please inform the Bandra police station and we'll take care of it करके उतना उन्होंने मुझे कॉन्वर्सेशन में बताया था. I said okay जीजा जी, like since he is a police officer and well respected police officer in Chandigarh, I said okay, sure Jiraji, I'll
Buddha, the family was telling you we are worried about Sushant. They were telling you that there is a problem. You were being told by the servants expenditure का problem है. आपने confront किया, medicines की बात हुई, मुंबई पुलिस में बता देना, डीसीपी बांद्रा को बता देना, सब कुछ बोला फैमिली ने, फिर भी आपको कुछ लगा नहीं? आपने कैजुअली ले लिया, आपने सुशांत का ध्यान नहीं रखा?
ध्यान रखा।
क्या रखा? आपने कभी रेड फ्लैग रेज किया, जीजा जी को बताया कि सुशांत अपनी मेडिसिन बंद कर रहा है, सुशांत के घर में एक्सपेंडिचर ज्यादा हो रहा है, बताया कि नहीं?
I have.
You have?
जीजा जी मेरे को कॉल
फिर आपको किसी ने डराया क्या घर में कि और बताना नहीं?
नहीं मैम, सिर्फ सुशांत ने मुझे बताया था कि आगे बात मत करो तुम, तो मैं stop.
Okay. And then why did Riya leave the house on 8th of June and go away?
I don't know.
But she went away. She was happy when she went. Sushant was happy after that.
No.
Sushant, so they had a fight.
I don't know ना.
नहीं, क्या आप आंख बंद करके बैठे हुए थे? आपको पता नहीं चला?
हाँ मैम नीचे थे, वो जो भी सिचुएशन हो रहा था।
पर वो घर से गई, आपको पता नहीं चला? बाद में पता चला?
पता चला मैम।
फिर
उन्होंने मुझे बताया था, रिया ने मुझे जब बोला कि मैं जा रही हूँ, सुशांत रिया वर इन द सेम रूम.
ओके
Riya told me, Baba, I'm going to my house. I want to, like, I'm not well. I will be home. If there is anything, I'm just a phone call away.
So on 13th night, then let's go back to 13th night.
Yes.
He came, he told you मैं सो के उठा हूँ अभी तू भी सो जा, and then he went back to his room. Next morning you went, first you knocked, and then you and Dipesh sat across his room, and every 10 minutes you were knocking.
Yeah.
How
Yes,
many
yes.
times did you knock? How much time did you wait?
Ma'am, I think we have taken breaks 2 to 3 times. That's it.
So
And
matlab
after
30, 40 minutes, 50 minutes did you?
Yeah.
You were
We
not
knocked.
worried that this man has stopped taking his
He
medicines,
was,
Riya
he
has
was
gone,
shouting.
he may be upset. आपको डर नहीं लगा? 1 घंटा
डर
आपने
लगा।
कुछ नहीं किया, गार्ड नहीं बुलाया कि दरवाजा खोल दो?
डर लगा मैम, डर लगा. We did everything to open that door, and when we could not do anything more, like, you know, हम
दो लोग मिलके दरवाजा तोड़ नहीं सके?
मैम वो दरवाजा बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था. You can see me, like, मैं और दीपेश दोनों मिलके वो
अच्छा।
दरवाजा नहीं तोड़ सकते.
गार्ड को बुला लेते
इसीलिए-
नीचे से? वॉचमैन को बुला लेते?
नहीं मैम, वॉचमैन को हमने बुलाया था. वॉचमैन को हमने चाबी वाले के बारे में पूछने के लिए फोन करा था, क्योंकि हम लोग डेलिबरेटली ज्यादा लोग को इन्वॉल्व नहीं करना चाहते थे, क्योंकि सुशांत वाज अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट मैन. ही नेवर यूज्ड टू डू एनीथिंग इवन पब्लिकली. सो हमने वी स्टार्टेड लाइक थिंकिंग लाइक हमको नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना चाहिए. हमने सोच लिया था कि पहले हमने राजू भाई, द वॉचमैन, द गार्ड एट द गेट, वी कॉल्ड हिम कि बॉस, if you have a contact of any key maker to open the door, please tell us. Then he's like 15 मिनट टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा टाइम बाद में वो like मैंने फोन करा है, थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. Then I thought कि let's Google the key maker.
Okay.
So I googled the key makers near me on Google. The first 3 result, whatever I got, I called the first person. He picked up. And I told him, boss, this is the situation. Can you come to the Mount Blanc building, which is in front of the joggers? Please come immediately. I said, then he told me, okay sir, I will. वो दरवाजा का फोटो भेजो, वो लॉक कैसा उसका मैकेनिज्म को फोटो भेजो, और हो सके तो आपके पास कोई चाबी है तो सारा फोटो भेजो, क्योंकि मैं अवतार लेके आता. Then what we did, we gave him a photograph of the main door key, which is of the same way, you know.
पर रिया तो जाने टाइम आपको बोल के गई थी, I am 1 phone call away. You did not think about calling Riya because she could have had a duplicate key?
Why we did not? I did not call Riya personally, because the previous day when all Disha thing happened, Sushant asked me to get in touch with Riya. Not Riya. He asked to call Shovik. तो मैंने शोविक को फोन करा. शोविक ने मुझे बताया कि बॉस, रिया इज इन हर रूम with my father. She's not speaking to anybody. So I did not actually like thought कि I should be calling Riya, because I have other things to take care of. The first priority for us.
Yes, मतलब लास्ट इवनिंग उसने, शोविक ने ऐसे बोला तो आपने रिया को अगले मॉर्निंग इन एन इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन फोन नहीं किया? शोविक को कर लेते. शोविक तो यूज्ड टू कीप कमिंग टू द हाउस, नो?
In that emergency situation, the first person which I thought makes sense to call was Sushant's sister.
Okay.
I called Sushant's sister that there is some emergency in the house. Sushant is not opening the door. Please come ASAP. She had told me that okay, I'm coming. And then I have informed कि हमको दरवाजा तोड़ना है, हमने चाबी वाले को भी बुला लिया है. Okay, I have informed. Then the key maker.
No. One minute. You
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not want to call Riya. You called the sister. Did you know there
Yes.
was a problem between Sushant and Riya, and that is why you did not call Riya?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I've sensed it. I've sensed it always. Ki there is something between Sushant.
Now
Riya
you are
and
saying you sensed it. Earlier you said दोनों एकदम happy थे, together थे. We never saw them fighting.
Yes,
But you
yes,
always
yes.
sensed that there was a problem.
Yes, there was. I sensed there was the problem between the sister and this Riya, not Riya and Sushant. I've never sensed it. Maybe there was something wrong between Riya and Sushant, but not in front of me. I hope you understand.
I am asking you, when Sushant was not opening the door, you called the sister, but you did not call Riya or
No.
Shovik, who used to live in that house. Why did you not call them?
Ma'am, I don't know in that situation what can I think of. I was only concerned about Sushant, which is inside that
But
room.
you didn't think that sister को बोलूंगा, रिया गुस्सा होगी, प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो मैं पहले
नहीं।
रिया को बुला लेता हूँ.
नहीं मैम, नहीं, मैंने सोचा नहीं वो नहीं सोचा. मैं सीधा सिस्टर को फोन करा.
So family first, और आपको रिया पे भरोसा नहीं था इसलिए नहीं फोन किया.
वो मुझे उस टाइम पे मैंने क्या कॉल करा मुझे नहीं पता. मैं सिर्फ मेरा
But your gut
concern यही
feeling
था-
was that I should call the sister and not Riya. That was your gut
Yes,
feeling.
ma'am.
Why
Yes,
was
yes.
that gut feeling?
I don't know. I don't
Something
know,
strange,
because-
something about
Yes.
Riya that was troubling you. That's why you did not call her.
See, I have called Shovik. Shovik had told me that she is not speaking to anybody. Maybe that is the reason why I did not call Riya in the first place.
Okay, all right. So you called the sister. How long did
Yes,
the
ma'am.
key maker take to come? And did the key maker come first or did the sister come first?
The keymaker came first.
After how long?
After 20 minutes.
How long between your first knock and the key maker coming?
How long?
Approximately.
Approximately like 2 घंटा. I think the keymaker came at like around 1 o'clock. I had a message in my phone, and I don't have it anymore. But it
You
was
don't
around
have it
1 o'clock.
anymore. Why don't you have it? You deleted it.
No. I have taken the backup. The backup is with me on my hard drive. Because of the lot of trolling which I'm going through. No, I have changed my WhatsApp. I have changed my phone number. I'm in contact with the police and the department through my email and my new phone number.
So for 2 hours after you discovered that the room was locked from inside, you did not call the watchman, you did not call the neighbors, you just allowed Sushant to be inside, no sound coming from inside, and you just waited for 2 hours.
We have informed the family about Sushant being locked inside the house. And we don't like हम सीधा neighbor को जाके नहीं बताने का कभी system ही नहीं था हमारे पास. We never used to interact a lot with the neighbors only.
की मेकर आया फिर क्या हुआ?
तो कीमेकर आया. कीमेकर को हमने अंदर लिया. 2 लोग आए ना. 2 लोग आए. हम उनको कोविड का टाइम था तो we masked ourselves. तो हमने इसको कीमेकर को सैनिटाइजर दिया. He was wearing mask and like gloves and everything. तो हम उनको ऊपर लेके आए. 2 लोग आए ऊपर and they examined the door of Sushant's room.
So you were telling me that the key maker was putting a thin rod and trying to open the door. Okay,
he was trying to
then
into the lock and he was trying to do something. He had a hammer. He was hammering that rod into some shape. Then I said, "Boss, what is the next quickest thing that you can do to the door so that the lock opens?" Then he said कि सर सिलेंडर निकालना पड़ेगा सर इसका दरवाजे का. मैंने बोला निकालो. तो तुरंत डोर लॉक का सिलेंडर का सिस्टम की तो मैंने उसने मुझे सजेस्ट करा कि that would be a quickest way.
Okay.
Then I told him go for it, like open or like break the lock.
Okay.
And he did something with his screwdriver.
तो 1 बजे तक नीतू दीदी नहीं आई थी?
नीतू नहीं आई थी. तब तक नहीं आई थी. नीतू दीदी थोड़ी दूरी पे थी. वो निकल चुकी थी तब. She was on the way while all this thing is happening. I was in touch with her when she was on the way also.
Okay.
Then the door उन्होंने कुछ पार्ट्स निकाले. वो दरवाजा खुल गया. जैसे दरवाजा थोड़ा खुला हमने दीपेश और मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया था पहले. जैसे दरवाजा खुलता है ना चाबी वाले, 2 लोग चाबी वाले थे, उनको भेज देंगे
क्यों?
हमको।
क्यों?
क्योंकि ये प्राइवेट, थोड़ा ये है ना, थोड़ा प्राइवेसी के लिए हमने ये सोचा था कि डिसीजन था कि चलो हम।
पर अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होता तो व्हाई शुड यू बी स्टक? आपको डर नहीं लगा कि अगर अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ होगा, लोगों की जरूरत पड़ेगी, उठाना पड़ेगा, एम्बुलेंस बुलाना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट थॉट तो सबका यही होता है ना।
उसके लिए मैं था, दीपेश था, केशव था।
पर तुम तो दरवाजा भी नहीं तोड़ सके थे, तुमसे तो दरवाजा भी नहीं खुला था। 2 घंटे तुम लोग सामने बैठ के वेट कर रहे थे।
2 घंटे पूरा हमने ट्राई करके दरवाजा खोलने का, हमने चाबी ढूंढा, ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें हमने करे थे, हमने बहुत सारे हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट्स
अच्छा ठीक है, then you sent these 2 people away.
Yes, then I sent them away. Deepesh had paid them $2,000 and immediately I rushed upstairs. I opened the door. When I opened the door, there was no light in the room. The AC was full power. I saw Sushant hanging from the fan.
Okay.
When I saw him, I raised an alarm to Deepesh, एक बार तो देख। तो मैंने जो देखा, सुशांत लटक रहे थे, मैंने बोला दीपेश सर ने ऐसा कराया। When he came to the room, he switched on the light. हम दोनों गए, देखा कि सर हैंग कर रहे।
वहां बेड फैन तो बेड के बीच में होगा ना
मैम? थोड़ा ऑफसेट था।
और कोई स्टूल, कोई टेबल पे चढ़ के ऊपर चढ़े थे?
नहीं, कोई स्टूल और टेबल पे नहीं चढ़े थे, बेड पे चढ़ के शायद he had put the weight down, but he was hanging. His both feet were on the side of the bed, and his ankle was in the air, and his toes were touching the ground.
You saw him?
So yeah,
But he had some people are saying that he had some bruises on his face. Could you see any bruises?
No bruises, ma'am. No bruises on his face. Like मैंने the first thing that I did after seeing the Sushant sir was I called the cops immediately. So I dialed 108. I dialed 108 and asked them to send the police and ambulance to the Mount Blanc, which is opposite August Park. I told them the details. Then
What did you do then?
Then I've informed the police and I came to the room. I don't know what made me do that, but I shouted to Sushant while he was hanging. Like I tried to wake him up. Like I said, sir, Sushant sir, जाग जाओ सुशांत सर करके मैंने सुशांत सर से बात करने की कोशिश किया। Then I got a
कॉप्स को कॉल करने के बाद आपने सुशांत को जगाने का कोशिश किया, उससे पहले नहीं?
कोशिश किया नहीं, वो उससे पहले नहीं। हमने देखा कि बॉडी लटक रहा था। I thought I should do something emergency, पहले emergency. Then I called.
You didn't call दीदी?
हाँ, first thing I did 108, then दीदी। ठीक है, दीदी को मैंने बोल दिया दीदी को, मैम सुशांत इज नो मोर, ही इज हैंगिंग फ्रॉम द फैन इन दिस रूम, हमने दरवाजा तोड़ दिया, आप जल्दी आ जाओ। देन तो बहुत सारा, मैम उस टाइम पे बहुत केओस था घर में कि बहुत हमको
नहीं, तो फिर then you touched him, then you went and touched him?
Yeah, I touched him, I checked his pulse.
And did you bring the body down?
Yes, we bring the body down only after we got a call from Neetu Didi, OP Singh Jijaji from the Chandigarh, and they asked me like, where is Sushant? I said वो नहीं रहे, he's hanging from the fan in his room. Then they told me कि उसको नीचे उतारे कि नहीं? मैं बोला नहीं उतारे हम नीचे उसको। तो जीजाजी ने चिल्लाया था उधर से कि उनको नीचे उतारो अभी, because we were all hoping that he must still be breathing or maybe he's struggling for some air. Then immediately I ordered like Keshav to get a knife from the kitchen, because हम लोग खोल नहीं सकते थे उसको, the knot was very tight. Then we opened, I took the knife, the Deepesh was there, I was in the room, I think Neeraj was also in the room. I slashed the cloth which was there from the district. It was a green kurta. It was a fabric kurta. So I cut the knife in 3 slashes and we brought him down.
But you had already called the police. Were you not scared that you would tamper with evidence or you should not do this?
मेरे को वो thought आया, लेकिन अगर ये बंदा जिंदा होता, अगर he must be struggling for some air, ताकि वो वाला that thought overtook my decision, and I have cut the cloth from with my own hands with the knife, and he came down on the bed.
I want to ask you, Buddha.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you call सुशांत? प्यार से कुछ नाम दिया था?
मैं उनको सर ही बोलता हूँ, सुशांत सर।
फोटोन?
सुशांत सर।
फोटोन?
फोटोन नहीं।
तो
फोटोन नहीं बोलते।
आपका एक इंस्टाग्राम बुद्धा पिठानी के अकाउंट पे एक विजुअल है जिसमें शैडोज हैं सुशांत के और आपके। तो आपने उसमें लिखा फोटोन इज एब्सेंट। व्हाट इज दैट?
नहीं, that is not me and Sushant, that is Deepesh and me together standing, and it was a nice like shadow which is falling on the wall. We were during our walkout, I snapped the picture. So basically, what is the absence of a photon is basically an absence of a photon creates a shadow. Okay.
But you know, photon was used by Sushant in the description of his Insta account.
Ma'am, photon is a scientific term.
So anybody can use it. Are you a?
Yeah, anybody can.
You are also an engineer?
No, I'm a designer, but I'm very much interested in science and space.
So photon was regular usage.
Yeah. People like in science
and what did you mean by photon is absent?
No, I didn't write photon is absent. I wrote absence of photon.
Yeah, absence of photon.
Yeah, absence of photon is a phenomena where when the light is obstructed with an object, it creates a shadow. Wherever the photons are stop, it creates a shadow. That's what I meant, and I put a post like earlier from this thing.
And is it a coincidence that you said this in your Insta account on 11th and Sushant, who also describes himself as photon in a double slit, passed away on 13th night?
Ma'am, I think so. It's a coincidence, yes. Because we both
too many
have
coincidences. Because Buddha, you've been changing your statements. You were on the side of the family till the 5th of July. You were giving information till the 25th. And after that, you suddenly wrote to the Mumbai police an email that the family was pressurizing you. Family के कहने पर आप जिस कपड़े से हैंग कर रहे थे सुशांत, वो काट सकते हैं, और फैमिली को के कहने पर आपको प्रेशर फील हो रहा था बाद में? क्या कह रही थी फैमिली?
Can I tell you what I'm going through at that point of time?
Yeah.
So on the day when I shot the deal, I got a phone call from Jijaji and Diti with another person on the line. So they have asked me, are you missing Sushant? I said, yes sir, I'm missing Sushant. I miss him the entire time. Then he told me, आप सुशांत के लिए कुछ करोगे? मैं बोला सर, श्योर सर, डेफिनेटली, आप बताओ क्या करना है. देन उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि there were 15 crore taken from सुशांत सर अकाउंट पे गायब हो गए. रिया ने गायब कराए उनके अकाउंट से, और you have to give a statement to the person who is online in the WhatsApp call. He will be calling you. Then पहला तो मेरे को डर लगा कि 15 crore is an amount which I cannot comprehend. It's a very huge amount.
Not for a big star that you were working for.
Because I have no idea about this 15 crore. That's the only reason why I have shot this mail. Because
So you shot this mail, and did you give the copy of the mail to Riya? Have you been in touch with Riya?
Yes, Riya. I mailed this thing to the police, and first I called the police officer saying कि सर मेरे को ऐसा कुछ ये लोग बोलने को कह रहे हैं जिसका मेरा कोई आइडिया नहीं, क्योंकि मैं जो भी स्टेटमेंट में दिया है उसका 100% आई स्टैंड, मैं ट्रूथफुल रहा हूँ, और मैं सच ही बोलूंगा. लेकिन अगर कोई आके मेरे को बोलते हैं 15 करोड़ के बारे में,
तो आपने रिया को वो ईमेल दे दिया?
Ma'am, Ria had called me the next day. Matlab, this was the first time when Ria had called me, and in that call, she had asked me like, मेरे पे कुछ cases शायद लगेंगे. This is before
तो
like.
she had advance information कि उन पे केसेस लगेंगे.
हाँ मैम.
आपने पूछा नहीं क्यों?
नहीं मैम, मैं दूसरे काम में थोड़ा बिजी था, तो मैं आज जस्ट वेरी.
अरे लोग मर रहे हैं, लोगों के ऊपर केसेस लग रहे हैं और आप दूसरे काम में बिजी हैं. कौन से काम में बिजी हैं बुद्धा जी? आपके कितने बिजनेस चलते हैं?
मैम मैंने अभी एक रिसेंटली एक स्टूडियो स्टार्ट करा.
तो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत मर गया, तुम्हें कोई वांदा नहीं, वहां रिया के ऊपर केसेस हो रहे, तुमने बोला अरे ये ले लो, तुम अक्यूज्ड होगी. फैमिली मुझे फैमिली भी प्रेशराइज कर रही है और रिया बोल रही है मेरे पे केसेस लगेंगे. आपको कोई शक नहीं हुआ किसी से? कुछ नहीं. पुलिस को बताया आपने?
मैंने बताया पुलिस को.
रिया की बात बताई पुलिस को?
मैम पुलिस के बात होने के बाद रिया का फोन आया, तो रिया ने बोला कि तुमने इन्फॉर्म करा पुलिस को. मैं बोला हाँ मैंने इन्फॉर्म करा है, और उन्होंने आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वाज माय स्टूपिडिटी. आई शुड नॉट हैव गिवन द मेल टू रिया ऑन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, बट आई हैव डन इट. मैंने रिया को बोला कि मैंने दिस इज द ईमेल व्हिच आई हैव रिटन टू द.
आपने क्या ईमेल फॉरवर्ड कर दिया था?
जी मैंने करा है.
But you said she called you before you wrote to the police and she said मेरे ऊपर केसेस होने वाले हैं.
No. I have written to the police before only.
Okay.
I have written to the
and she called you and told you मेरे पे केसेस होने वाले हैं.
हाँ मेरे केसेस नहीं, उन्होंने बोला था मेरे पे केसेस हो गया है, मेरे पे केस हो गया है, तुम मेरे को दिखाओ वो तुमने क्या भेजा, मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. Riya told me this, and that is the reason I have trusted her and I given the statement. I should not have done that.
So you regret giving it to her?
Yeah, I regret because the mail have become public, and in that email my phone number is clearly mentioned.
Okay, one last question I want to ask you. Was there a party in Sushant's house? Was there a reference to a party where on the 9th of June, and was Sushant worried? Did he go for a party, or did Disha call him anytime between 9th and 13th? Was there a party? Were there people in Sushant's house?
Ma'am, there was no party before the incident happened.
Why were the CCTV spoilt in the building? Were the CCTVs working earlier?
Ma'am, there were no CCTV cameras in the house, but there are CCTV cameras in the society which were working, and the police have visited our house and checked the entire house of Sushant.
Buddha Pithani, you've spoken to us, you've given us insights. Why are you hiding now? Why are you running away from Hyderabad into some corner where nobody can find you?
No, I'm in Hyderabad only.
You're in Hyderabad?
Yeah.
You're not in Hyderabad.
I'm in touch with Bihar police. Bihar police have called me. Also, we had a lengthy conversation with Bihar police, and I've given my statement. I'm in the city.
Okay.
Hyderabad.
We'll call you. The case may go to the CBI. We'll call you again. We'll speak to you again.
Sure. Anytime.
Thank you.